What's up, sweathearts? I got a new warm-up for you. This one's called Peanut Butter and Jelly by Galantis. Let's get started. We're gonna take a walk to the right. 1, 2, 3, hit 4. Walk back left, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you hold here for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're just gonna fly those arms side to side, ta ta ta. So that repeats 4 times, right, left, and then hold for 8 with the 4 taps side to side. Next part, it says peanut butter jelly. Spread it like peanut butter jelly. So we start off with the right foot. It's spread it like peanut butter. We're gonna take the hip around, out and back, and we're gonna take the right shoulder back, jelly for 2. So spread it like peanut butter jelly. Then rock the right foot front. 1, 2, 3, 4, around 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot. Spread it like peanut butter. This time left shoulder back. Jelly for 2. Left foot front. Back around 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll show the beginning to the front. We start on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Spread it like peanut butter jelly for 2. Right foot front and back around 5, 6. Left foot. Spread it like peanut butter jelly. Rock it left front, left back around 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, we just came around with the left foot, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have a little reach to the right. We go for 4, reach 4, 3, 2, 1, then 4 pumps, 4, 3, 2. Now sets of 2, we reach right, left, pump, pump, run, 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 hold, spread it like, yeah? So we have 4 reaches, 4 pumps, 2 reaches, 2 pumps, and then we're gonna shake it out as it goes, pew, pew, pew. Spread it like, all right? To the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the pumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times, now reach, 1, 2, 3, 2 pumps, 5, 6, 7. Crazy legs, pew, pew, pew. Spread it like, that's with that right arm. Yeah, so we spread it like. Then we're gonna do a little rock mambo. So we're gonna start with that right foot, we're gonna cross, double, cross, double, cross, double, cross, double. There's 4 more, and there's an option to take this around the world. Cross, turn, double, cross, turn, double, cross, turn, double, cross, turn, step, center. Now the arm is just gonna spread as we rock, spread as we rock. If you want to kick it around, you do both arms spread, pa, 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 spread, ta, ta, ta. To the front, we just did, pew, pew, pew. Spread it like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more just like this, ta, ta, ta. Then the option, 4 more with the turn, 4, pa, pa, pa. 3, 2, and 1. Bring it center to walk forward. All right, still with me? Okay, good. We're gonna walk it forward now. We just came around the last one, around. We walk it up with the right foot. We go 1, 2, 3 together, 4. We play 5, and we shoot the arms up on 6, and there's a little explosion music. You have an option of doing a little jump, but it is a warm-up, so don't jump too high. Warm up those ankles first. So we walk up on the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Prepare. 6, clap. 7, 8. We take it to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it back on the right leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side. Walk it back, pa, 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 and then we slide for 4 up, 4, 3, 2, 4 back, starting with the right foot, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit. Yeah, let's do that facing the forward. So we just did last one. 5, 6, 7, walk it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, walk it back. 5, 6, then it slides. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, back. 4, 3, 2. Let's try that one again. Walk it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, walk it back. 5, 6, 4 slides front and back. 4, 3, 2, 1, back. 4, 3, 2, 1. From the beginning, hit, hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's try this again. Hold. 4, 3. Here we go. Spread like peanut butter. Right foot out. 2 body rolls. Rock forward. Right. Back around. Left foot this time. Spread it like peanut butter. Shrimps jelly. Do it like you owe me some money. We reach. 4, 4. Pump. 4, 4. Reach. 4, 2. Pump. 2. Crazy legs. Tap, 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 tap. Spread it like mambo. We're at 8 of these total. You could turn the last 4 optional, both arms 4 as you spread. 3, 2, last one. In center, we walk it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. 6, 7, 8, side, side, walk it back. Then we slide it up for 4, 3, 2, and back. 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm already out of breath. That means it's a warm up. Let's dance it.
Slip the skies, set the shadow, visualizing, I'll give it something. Kush, wherever we go, visualizing, I'll give it something. You know how to fight it, burning, visualizing, I'll give it something. Ace high, going all in, visualizing, I'll give it something. Spread it like peanut butter jelly. Do it like I owe you some money. Spread it like peanut butter jelly. Do it like I owe you some money.
action.